Hey tech enthusiasts, are you ready to master embedded systems in 2024? Whether you're a seasoned engineer or just starting out, I've got the ultimate roadmap for you. First things first, get a solid understanding of the basics. Dive into the fundamentals of microcontrollers and embedded C programming. These are the building blocks you need to start any embedded project. Next up, it's time to get hands-on. Invest in a good development board like Arduino or Raspberry Pi. Experiment with simple projects like blinking LEDs or creating a basic sensor network. These practical experiences will solidify your understanding. Now, let's talk about operating systems. Get familiar with real-time operating systems, RTOS, like FreeRTOS. Handling real-time tasks is crucial in embedded systems, so mastering RTOS will give you a major edge. Don't forget to dive into communication protocols. Learn about I2C, SPI, UART, and CAN bus. These protocols are essential for interfacing with peripherals and other devices. Now, security is a big deal in 2024. Focus on embedded security principles. Understand encryption and secure boot processes. With IoT devices everywhere, keeping your system secure is non-negotiable. And hey, keep an eye on the latest trends. AI and machine learning are making their way into embedded systems. Familiarize yourself with frameworks like TensorFlow Lite and Edge AI. This will open up new avenues for innovation. Finally, network with the community. Join forums, attend conferences, and contribute to open source projects. Sharing knowledge and collaborating with others will boost your skills and keep you up to date. So there you have it, your complete guide to mastering embedded systems in 2024. Get started today, and who knows, you might just create the next big thing in tech. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!